Good morning, students. Today we'll do some practical of the Python program. Today we'll come to know how we can create the Python programs or how we can run the Python program. To run the Python program, first of all, we need to install the Python in our program. To install the Python in the system, we need an internet connection. So internet connection should be there. You have to click on browser and log on to www.python.org. Okay, whenever you click on python.org, there is internet connection is not there. That's why whenever you click on there, you will find the different Python programs, different Python softwares or different with the different versions like 2.7, 3.67, etc. Whatever version you want to install, you can install it. After installing the Python, you have to click all programs and search your Python directory. So you can search your Python directory. This is the Python 2.7 version installed in this. Okay, and you can click here. You will find these two things: IDLE program GUI or Python command line. As I told you, in Python we can work in two different ways. One is interactive mode and other is script mode. If somebody are not able to find the Python directory from the start button, you can do one simple things. In the search box, you can type Python, PY, 2 words are sufficient, and you can see the IDLE Python GUI or Python command line. So let's try to understand first what is the Python command line. Click on the Python command line. Okay. You can see Python 2.7.14. This is the version and this is 32-bit. Okay, and these three greater than sign you can see here. This is the prompt where a user can write their commands. In interactive mode, you will write one command at a time and it will execute immediately. For example, I am writing print. You know, print is the statement to take the output. Print 5 plus 7. So you will get 12 immediately. Print hello. Why I am writing hello in the quotation mark? Because it is a string, and I told you string value always will be enclosed in single, double or triple quotation mark. So you will find hello. If you write without inverted commas, then see what happened. It give an error message because string value always will be enclosed in either single, double or double inverted comma, right? So this is our interactive mode where we can type one command and it will give the output immediately. Okay, if we want to make a program, complete program in a one file, so we need to use the script mode. For the script mode, you need to click on start. We'll write Python so that the Python directory will come in front of you. IDLE Python GUI. Okay, you have to click here. Click on it. So you can see the same prompt is also here. File, edit, shell, debugging options, and these are the menu bar. You have to click on file and new file. You can also press Ctrl N. So you have to click file, new file. Okay, in the new file you have to write your program. So to save the time, I have already written some program for you in a file. Suppose this is our first program. Okay, program to find और टू ऐड टू नंबर्स. दिस इज सो सिंपल प्रोग्राम कि आप दो नंबर इनपुट करेंगे, यूज़र कोई भी यूज़र दो नंबर इनपुट करेगा और उनका टोटल करके उनको जो है आउटपुट हमें शो करना है, राइट. सो आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग द प्रोग्राम द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज you need to save this file. To save this file, click on file and save button. You can give any name as you wish. Okay, so suppose I am giving, suppose TTTTTS1 .py. as I told you in script, working in script